Change is in the air. It is unpredictable and all around us. Our generation doesn't fear it. We embrace it. We are the youth. The revolution is already upon us, driven by technology and innovation. Changing factories, connecting man and machine. While some of us benefit, others are left behind. This is the present we live in, not the future we aspire for. We enter a new world. Science fiction is now science fact. Opportunities are available to all. Our dream turns into reality. This is just the beginning. This is our neighborhood. We are connected. An exciting future is ahead, transforming our world, placing manufacturing at the core, sparking new innovation, ending poverty, restoring global prosperity. The future of manufacturing starts here.
which works like this. Front and rear screens in eyeliner setups are known as primary or bounce screens. Eyeliner takes these basic principles and adds to it a special 3-layered polymetric foil just 25/1000ths of an inch thick. The foil is tensioned across all or part of a stage at a 45-degree angle like so. This allows the projector and primary bounce screen to move into a vertical formation like so. For smaller spaces, the projectors can be configured with mirrors to elongate the projection path and maintain picture integrity. Eyeliner displays ideally require a minimum footprint of 10 feet square and a height of 9 feet to show full-size human figures. What you are seeing is a reflected image which is so true and realistic to the original, it has become known as a virtual image. Many people perceive what they are seeing now as a 3D hologram. In fact, it is a 21st century take on a mid-19th century visual effect known as Pepper's Ghost, showing now on the relay screens. Thanks in part to the amazing optical properties of the eyeliner foil, combined with the light and picture output of Christie Digital high-definition projectors, the image has depth and opacity that actually supersedes the scale and definition of traditional 3D holograms.
Be careful, don't hit the wall. So this is a fixed system, but you could actually push the walls back and create one giant large wall. Would you like to fly?
Yeah.
Alright, let's fly.
Well, I want to turn on positive first. Wow, that's actually...
There you go, look up.
Yeah! Oh, this is awesome. This is incredible.
Watch where you're going.
And actually, I'm going to have you, don't fall. Close your eyes. I'm going to step back. Yeah, step back. Yeah, don't look down. There you go. Now you can peek over the railing.
Wow, it's so crazy the way you're programmed to kind of hardwired to react to this stuff.
Take you to another. You might want to come over here, right to where I'm at. Just stand right here and look forward. Yeah, right about here.
Am I right here?
Yeah, right about there. I'm going to have you walk down a couple of stairs. So just look down. There you go.
Wow. I can't, like, I'm floating above the stairs now. That's
So if
crazy.
you look forward, then I'm just going to take you flying. And actually, I'll let you fly.
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick, erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick, rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip, unzip it, lock it, fill it, curl it, find it, view it, code it, jump, unlock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click it, cross it, crack it, switch, update it, name it, read it, view it, print it, scan it, send it, fax and name it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start, format it, buy it, use it, break it, use it,